Hi, boys and girls. We're going to be looking at critical vocabulary for our upcoming story this week. The book that we're going to be reading is called My Diary from Here to There. And the vocabulary that's called critical vocabulary is important because it's the words that you need to understand in order to fully understand the story. So number one, the word is burst. If you feel like you will burst, you feel great energy that you want to use up. After I won the contest, I almost burst with happiness. Word number two, opportunities. If you have opportunities, you have chances to make something good happen. Take advantage of any opportunities you are given to travel. The next word is immigration. The job of immigration workers is to make sure that people who come to live in a new country have followed the laws about moving. Immigration officials checked our passports as we crossed the border. Now, when you're using these words, it's good to look at the definition, but then also to use the word in a sentence, which is what this program is really good about doing to help you understand. So we have another few words we're going to go over. Refugees is the next word. Refugees are people who must leave their countries because of war or other serious problems. When they lose their homes and jobs because of a disaster, many families become refugees. And then our last word in this set is amazing. If something is amazing, it is very surprising and it's wonderful. I just read an amazing book. Now, what we're going to do with these words is we're going to think a little further about it. So I want you to think about the word burst. So we can pull that word back up again as we're talking about it. So in the word burst, you're going to be seeing these words along the way as you're reading the story this week. So when you see them, I want you to think about what those definitions are and how the story is using those words. So for example, with the word burst, I want to ask you to think about this, and you can discuss it with someone that you're with. That could be a parent, that might be a friend or a family member. Or if you're not with anyone else, just think about this word on your own. The word burst. What kind of event might make you so excited that you feel like you're going to burst? And then number two, the word opportunities. On the word opportunities, remember that is something good is going to happen. So think about this. Do you think that getting a good education will mean more opportunities for you as you get older? Why do you think so, or why not? So remember and keep in mind an opportunity is something good is going to happen. So taking that for example, do you think something good will happen, an opportunity, because you have a good education? Word number three, immigration. So here's the thing I'd like you to think about with that word. Why do you think that countries have rules about immigration? Now remember, immigration is the job of immigration workers is to make sure that people who come to live in a new country have followed all the rules and laws about moving. Why would that be? Why do countries have rules about immigration? The next one is, again, word number four, refugees. Refugees, the definition again is that people are people who must leave their countries because of war or other serious problems. So the question I want you to think about is, why do you think that, what circumstances, in other words, might cause a person to become a refugee? Why would someone become a refugee? What would cause that? Have a discussion about that with someone nearby, or just think about that to yourself. And then the last one is, again, word number five. And on number five, amazing. If something's amazing, it's surprising and wonderful. So I want you to think about this one. Have you ever seen anything that you thought was amazing? If you have, What was it? And why did you think it was amazing? Okay, so boys and girls, I would like you to look at those words again and think on that, have discussions with people in your area or around you, and get ready for our story. Again, my diary from here to there.